Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the product. Today, we're taking a look at Pioneer.coop, a platform designed to connect individuals with shared interests and ambitions, fostering collaboration and mutual support in pursuit of ambitious goals. Pioneer functions as a vibrant online community where users can propose projects, seek collaborators, offer mentorship, and gain valuable feedback. This cooperative network empowers individuals to bring their ideas to life by connecting them with a diverse pool of potential partners, advisors, and supporters. It emphasizes the power of collective intelligence and shared effort, providing a structured environment for turning aspirations into reality. The platform facilitates the formation of teams around specific projects, fostering a sense of shared ownership and responsibility. Participants can browse a wide array of project proposals, ranging from tech startups to creative endeavors and social impact initiatives. This diverse ecosystem allows individuals to explore different fields, contribute their skills to projects that resonate with them, and learn from others with complementary expertise. Pioneer's strength lies in its ability to connect people who might not otherwise cross paths, creating opportunities for collaboration and innovation that transcend geographical boundaries. Pioneer.coop offers a structured framework for project development, guiding users through the stages of ideation, planning, execution, and iteration. It provides tools and resources to support effective team communication, task management, and progress tracking. This systematic approach helps ensure that projects stay on track and that participants remain engaged and motivated. Beyond project collaboration, Pioneer also emphasizes personal growth and development. Members can engage in mentorship programs, access educational resources, and participate in workshops designed to enhance their skills and broaden their perspectives. The platform fosters a culture of continuous learning and mutual support, empowering individuals to reach their full potential while contributing to a larger community. By joining Pioneer, you become part of a network of driven individuals committed to making a positive impact through collaboration and innovation.